We're taking a look here on the daily chart at Canopy. You can see we ended the day 125. That puts us below this key level of 131. That was an area that we had mapped out because that was a harsh resistance for us here back in early June, and it was a nice support in early May and late April. Now we are trading below that, so that's going to be our first resistance. That's also where that 9-day EMA is kind of matching up as well, even though we're about 3 cents off of that. And then anything above that, we're looking up here at these low 180 areas. So that is a spot where this 200 SMA, this upper trend line here, are all kind of matching up. In the past week, when we had that run up here in earnings with a big volatility expansion in here with the volume just through the roof, that is where we bounced right off of. So we banged our head up against that and pulled back. And that was also a spot of resistance for us here in June and going to May. We were kind of wrapped around it there. So that is our main area of resistance once we get past these 130s, but 131, that is going to be the key area for us in here short term going forward. Now, if we are staying below that, which that's how we ended today, we ended about 6 cents off of that right here. Going forward, we're looking right around here, these 115s. That's going to be a level for us. That was a nice support here back in early July, as well as a resistance in early August and late July as well. And then anything below that, we're looking at the 103 mark, basically the $1 psychological level should be a nice place for us to set up shop. Now, as far as our implied volatility goes, obviously everything kicked in here with earnings, but you did get a little bit of IV kind of contracting in here overall coming off that earnings, but you still have an IV ranking here of 43, right around a 20-cent expected move by this Friday, going out to next Friday, right around 25 cents. And if you go all the way out to your September monthly expiration cycle, right around a 41-cent expected move is what traders are pricing in. So we're going to see how we work ourselves throughout this rest of this week. 131, that's going to be your key level in here. Anything above that, then we're going to be setting our sights here on this 180 level. Anything below this 130, then we're going to be looking down here at the 113, 115 level, and then that psych level here at that $1 mark. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.